Hey guys, work on some trees and grass and all that stuff there. Right. Wanna need some rocks. I wonder if in some more grass. What? Oh. Oh boy. I accidentally messed up. Okay. Right. I have to get some grasses. Direction. That looks weird. I could paint on that. Funny. Alright, I need more trees. Or tree types. You open up export this. Tree. Gotcha. Right. Do that. Okay. I wonder if I could include both. That's not a scatter item here. Scatter item. My jersey. Oh, I'm guessing they don't allow more than one. Oh, it can only be one. Alright. So, I shall. Okay. Can't turn more than one. Fine. Look at those trees. Uh, Alright, I need to make the actual texture. Go or resource to me. Standard material. Work. Good. Uh, this is confusing, but oh well. Oh, rename this. That's gonna. Three. And three. Yeah. I could just grab these guys or two. Oh boy. Alright, three. Assets and then I'll 3 2 leaves. And for this, guessing this is the bark. No, it doesn't have a name, but alright, let's make a in. Alright. Now let's grab the bark, the color, or not color, the actual texture. Let me make that the actual planar. That looks perfect. Hey, what's up, man? Back at it again. I should probably do this with the other thing too. The other call it leaves. Yeah, I just grabbed some trees from on a free 3D website. I don't remember the actual name, but leaves model one. Right, that looks good. Just turn on transparency. Turn off pollen. Yeah, I'm working on some color tree models now. Let's save this as two. And in the scenes, Yeah, I don't want to like spend all the time making trees. Yeah. What was that website again? Let me find it back. Free Treaty. That's the actual name of the website. Loading, man. Here it is. Which one was it? I think it was this. No, not that one. Or this one. I don't remember which one it was. Some of them are paid, but some are free. Where was it? Oh, I didn't see these. European trees. That's paid too. Some of them are low poly though, so I don't want to use those. Actually, I downloaded one by mistake. Didn't know it was low poly. I need to make some rocks though, but I'm gonna do those myself. I know a way to do it. I need to let me just make the collisions and everything for this. So, right, I need to change the type of this to a collision. Let's see how I did mine. Check. Object trees. Fix dependency. Alright, what did I do? Okay, I set it as a static body. And I did all that stuff. Yeah, I'm not using this anymore. It's way too basic. And I don't want it to be this weird. Anyways. Right, so I'm gonna re-import these as a collision, a static body. So I need to find models, tree model. I want to rename this because it's not really one tree. Leave it as is. Yeah, I know what to do. I mean, for the leaves, I could do it, but I don't want to do it for the stream. Well, I should do it for the stream since that's what I'm doing. I'll try and do it in a bit. What was I doing again? Alright, so I'm gonna re-import these. I'm changing the root node to a static body. Hurry up and work. That took a while. Alright, root node should be a static body. Body 3. And it's a lot of meshes. 3.1 should be static body now. There you go. I could now I'm gonna just use a plain collision. It's a cylinder. And just line them up with 3. Why is this? Something's wrong with Godot. Every time this happens, like this is off, right? You snap is off right now. So when I turn it on, no, it's off. It's kind of weird. And a bit up there. Well, that's not accurate, but let me rotate. That's on too. Oh, it's snapping. Good. A lot smaller. That looks more like it. Work with that. Then for tree 2, I need to re-import that as well. And change that to be collision. Add it to A. Add it but port. Add A. And get that to again. Why is that way over there? Let's move that guy over. bro. This is what's off. It's because that's how it is in Blender. So it comes out as that. That's good. No, it's not. Did my little. That's better, I think. I want to make some rocks today too, so I'll do that as well. See, and I forgot I need to attach the tree strip to it. So what is going on here is particle instantiate. Oh, that's gonna be annoying. Fur, what's up? So I'm working on a whole bunch of trees today. Here's how it looks so far. And I'm using what you call it, this thing again, Simple Grass by Icarus Games. Because I was trying to research some better grass system, and from the Terrain 3D guys, they say you could just use this. Well, it's in their documentation too. I need to get rid of some of this. It's piled up here. Good play, show you. Yep. Uh-oh, where am I? It's even moving around. And there's a fishes in there still swimming. Got the draw calls. Pretty decent. Cause all of this grass is one draw call, I think. The one multi-mesh you're using. Man. Am I walking a bit slow? This is what I don't like. You can't, the grass isn't casting a shadow for some reason. Not the grass, the leaves. Maybe I could fix that. Let me check. Oh, and I add saving and loading too. Oh, let me show you that. So with the inventory now, I could move stuff around. So let's see, I moved those there. I could now save it. And then could close the game actually. Close it and load them up again. And there's my inventory without loading. And then load them up back. Restarts. There you go. So now I have saving set up. Kinda. I didn't save anything else on inventory though. I was just messing with it. I need to save his position and all that stuff. Alright, so I made some more trees, so I need to add one. Here. Wait, what is this? Oh, that's the wrong one, I think. Wait, what trees? Oh, that's tree 1. It's oh, that's the temp stuff. I need it. Oh, that's from the actual plugin. I was like, what the heck is it loading? 6 trees, 3, 2. Oh, okay, over here. Alright, let's load up these trees right all around this area here. Underneath shape, let's get something else. Oh, I made a let's call the rocks. Oh dang. But you want me to use them in this or no? Cause this is gonna be a free game. It's not. I'm not like selling it or anything. Where is it? Pot shape. I want to use that. Then let's create a. Whoops, I messed up. What's going on? Oh no. I hate when that happens. To click out of it and then click back in. Some reason. Alright, where's that part shape? Add some points. One. Uh-oh. Like way sideways. I want it to collide with the floor, so create colliders. I think it's a distance. Where is it? Ray length. Like 100 for now. Touch the floor. Z. Easy. I think it's your first time here, right? Because I didn't even realize it was you talking just now. I thought it was Jennifer first. Alright, let me space these out a bit. Oops, not like that. Did not mean to. Come on, go back. Control Z. Oh no, why? Alright, fine, I'm gonna just use a circle. I think I should do. Oh, it does work. Oh, that's weird. Wait, that's the same tree or is it a different tree? It looks the same. Am I loading the same tree? Dang it. Hold on, tree 2. Yeah, 3, 1 or not, I'm not sure, to be honest. Oh yeah. But I mean, some of these I didn't make. The proton scatter is not mine. The the terrain is not mine, right? Hold on, let me run this. I want to see how this looks. I need to fix the material though. The leaves. No collisions. This doesn't have collisions either. Or oh, I know why. Let me show you. I know why. Proton scatter is not using the way it's creating them. The performance, I think. Use instance. Use create copies. So that uses multi-meshes, and then multi-meshes don't use the collisions. Now I should hit collide in those trees now. The bonk. I think I could hit them now. Oh no. Gotta set that up too. Yeah, I gotta set that up. Looks good so far. Not really. Cars colliding over each other. Man, that looks like a farce. Kinda. If this was using, I think these are using instancing too. I'm actually lost. Oh, there's the water over there. That's funny. Oh, this is using instant. Not instancing, copying. Alright, I need to set up the hit so I could actually get in. I think I was using groups. Let me look up my original tree. Yep, I was using groups. So if what I could do is instead of adding it every time, I could just do it in ready. So add to group and tree. Now it just should work. Maybe a compass mechanic I could work on. Alright, let's see if this works. Whoops. Oh, I didn't have the particles. Let me make sure to catch that. If particle cool now turn print tree particle. That's it. Or I probably should just yeah, that's gonna stop everything. I don't want it to stop everything. Alright, let me just do it here. Or let me just put it here. This, that, and do that. There. Return. Oh wait, no. Tree particle equal now. Oh, if I have a tree particle. And I want it to tell me though, so I'm gonna put it down at the bottom. I still need it to tell me. Or yeah. I'm confusing myself. Else just print that tree particle not set. Oh, I could have just pressed continue, but yeah. Alright, let's see. 1, 2. Ah man, I gotta do it for everything, right? Take it. If item, oh, dropped item. Do all of this guy. Continue. That's cool. Sometimes I don't usually do that, but goes. I'm breaking some trees down. The problem now is I'm gonna have to track where all of these are. I might have to save all of them, their positions, and if they're destroyed, stuff like that. Alright, let me actually put the stuff on. Tree 1. Oh, tree 1 doesn't have anything yet. Tree 2. Wait a minute. Did I put? I'm so confused now. Oh, I'm not actually using this. I fixed the tree 1 bark. That to be stripe planer. Go. Need to change this one to be 1. Am I crazy? Why is it not doing that? Why is it not changing? Or is it tree 2? Okay, what? Why is it using the same tree? Oh, hold on. Tree 1. Oh, it is different. I'm blind. So the problem is I need to change the leaves for tree 2. That was the issue. I think. Let's change that. Leaf. Quick load. Leaf. Leaves. I wish I could see an image before I click on it. That'd be pretty cool. There you go. That's better. Then I could change the bark as well too. Change the bark. Which bark is this? Just knowing. Okay, bark did this. I can't pronounce that. S7 or S5. 7.5. I'm change that to a different one. See how that one looks. Alright, I need to do some rocks to make it look more natural looking. Alright, looking good. Good. I gotta fix this. So there's two ways to do it. Either turn off rotation or make the center point a bit down in the floor. The 3-1. So at that point, I want to bring, just grab everything, bring them down a little bit. So now the center is actually in the, you get what I'm trying to do there. Save that one and do the same thing over here. Better. Oh yeah, the save system working. Alright. Wanna find a bent tree. Here's one over here. There you go. So now they're like they're still in the floor. Alright, so time to make some rocks. Oh, let me set up the actual. You know what? Instead of close that one. Instead of exporting here the particle, I'm gonna just use the actual part for it. Where did I put it anyways? Because I'm gonna have to do it for every single tree that I use. Particle effect, reheat. I'm gonna just grab this guy, put it here. Let's preload. That's gonna come back to haunt me later, but well. Alright. And drop item as well. Already be the pack scene. Put back the pack scene here. So I could get the autocomplete. I need to preload the log because I won't change it, right? Log. Fine. Alright, now everything should work fine. I don't think I can pick them up yet though. There you go, hit effect. Not that great, but oh, you know what I could do? That same texture, I should use it for the logs. Yeah, I can't pick up logs yet, so let me need to close it. Oh well. Yeah, let me fix that log really quick. I borrow that log scene. The material I'm using. Godot. Oh. Alright. Let's create the log material. Assets, models. Where do I have the log? There. So put it in the materials section. Log. I'm gonna steal that birch color. Or bark, I mean. Then make that UV 2'd. I could grab this log. Be cool if there's a search feature in here. So it's material port. Nice, I think. Not perfect, but oh, I don't like this. Alright, let's work with that for now. Yeah, I gotta actually make a proper log material. Oh, I did pick it up. Oh, but it didn't add. Oh, I gotta update my it did pick it up, but it didn't add it to the to this. It'd be better if it did, right? Yeah, I could add it like that. No, I didn't update the you know what I'm trying to say. Whenever I pick up something, I need to update my inventory. Just the display itself. So let me go to, what am I looking for? Why? Collect. Okay, object.collect. Let me check where that so this guy, add item. Interesting. So what I'm doing is looping over it, and then I increase it if I already have it. Interesting. Did I have it as a different name, maybe? So what I'm calling the log. Yeah, log. And in my inventory, I have here settings, not plugins, auto load. Go to this guy. Thinking how to do this. Oh, right, I'm stupid. Yeah, I do have a log here. Maybe I'm doing the wrong thing. But add item. Let me double check. If I not if it has the name. Actually no. If I that has I think it's is empty equals false. I'm thinking the right way to do this. Oh. You see what I'm doing wrong? Look. So up here, I'm saying if I that has name, but this is wrong because name is actually the key. So I'm checking if it has a log, but it's just checking this side. You get what I mean, right? So what I need to do, I need to check if it's not empty first. Where is it? Add item. Let me double check that. So if inventory slots .I dot is empty equals false. Alright, and then now I could check if that if I dot name is equal to name, right? Should be that. Oh, equal to, and then I increment the amount there. So if it's empty, equal false. Else, if it is empty, then we add the slot there. This might be bad because I want to check this first before even adding it to an empty slot, because it could be empty before I even reach to a slot with that name. So the way to do it is maybe do a different loop. So for I in inventory slots, and I need a boolean there too, just to see if it's added. Okay, and then I need to do a if here again. If inventory slots I is empty, and I'll continue. You guys understand what I'm trying to do here? Alright, let me explain it now. So I'm looping over all the slots. If a slot is empty, I want to skip it because I really want to add it to somewhere that has the item already, has one containing an item already. Now I'm checking if it's not empty there. Oh, I just realized I don't need to do this if I'm doing this. Oops. I do. Yeah, I need to skip this. Don't need this step here. I'm continuing anyways. Alright, so now check there, because it's not empty. And then that's the name. Do that. Now it continues anyways. Oh, now I need to make sure that it's actually added. So item added, that to false. There should be a variable right here. Item added equals true. Then now I could say if item added return. So if I get to add the item here already, I don't have to do this step again. Alright, let's try that out. Man, this scene is slow to load. Alright. Let's see how my inventory looks. So I should get 5 here now. And I wish I could press I again to just get rid of it, but I'll add that. It did, but I forgot to update again. See? I keep forgetting that stuff. Alright, add item. I need some kind of function, maybe a signal here. Yeah, my emit that signal. Item added. Updated. I'm gonna create it. Item. Do it up here. Actually, it doesn't make sense to do it. Or yeah, it makes sense. New item added. Oh, I could actually emit it with the name. So I could use that other places. So emit. I could pass that name and the amount. The name and quantity. I'm gonna create that. Copy this guy. Paste him here again. Let's create a function up here. In variable. Or signal, sorry. Signal. Emitting it here, creating it. Alright, so now in my inventory, I could use that signal somewhere. Where is it? Add and inventory. So I have an update grid function somewhere in here. Where is it? Update slots, I mean. So I need to connect. Where's it? Slots. The thing is, I might have to make a function for this. Or I know what to do. Let's do a connect right here. Inventory. New item added. Connect. I'm gonna use a lambda here. So func x y. I'm not gonna use that for anything. So just call update here. Update slots. You guys know about lambdas? I think I made a video on it, but it's new for Godot 4. See if that works. Alright, so got 4. Alright, that's gonna get a 9. So the inventory button, I need to press it again to continue the game. Uh-oh. Update slots on base nil. What are you talking about? Invalid get update slots. Huh. Guess I have to call it. Thought I didn't have to do it, but well. Let's see. 1, 2. Dang it. Update slots and okay. Not an index. What the heck? Man. Oh, I'm dumb. Was actually just do that. Overthinking that. Alright, 1, 2. Alright, I think I picked them up. Or I didn't. Where are they? There was nothing. Right. There you go. So now I have 5. If I move this down here, it should still add it to that. Go back to here and grab them. I just grab 2. That's all of them. There you go. 7. Perfect. I need to add a limit though, so I gotta do all of that. Oh yeah, thanks. I mean, I'm gonna make them smaller because they're kinda big. And I need to make the actual shortcut menu now to add the items to. Like your shortcuts. So I'm gonna have 1 to 6 on the keyboard. Or I don't know, I'm gonna do the control yet, but alright, so I wanna make some rocks. I got that working. Oh, so this can actually be used somewhere else too. You know, in what's those games called? What's it called? Like Ark Survival Evolved. I don't know if you guys know that game. Whenever you pick up an item, it would pop up and say you picked up an item. I could use that exact signal for that. So let me create that really quick. I'm gonna use a node or label. I'm gonna use a tween maybe for this. Item collected. Label. Let's call it LBL. And I wanna put it show this and hide in HUD. Hide this one. So where is it? Item collect label. Oops. Maybe I put this item here over this side. The pop-up thingy. New item. It's gonna just pop up whatever you pick up here. And save that. Then the HUD now. Let's connect this thing here. Inventory dot new item added dot connect pop up item. Okay, create this. I'm gonna use a tween here. Name and quantity. Alright, what I want to do now is let's set this hidden by default. Item collected. Oh, let's use this actual name. Probably should just item collect label text equal to item collect item. Let's say item call. Make that up here for item call. Item. And then use some strings here. S. Then use a X here, and then another S. X. That and that. Could pass both of these guys in. Name and quantity. Then pop up item. Oops, item. Gonna show this for a sec. So I'm gonna use a thing here that might not work, but get tree. I don't think this is a good idea. Get tree that create timer. I'm just checking just to see if it works without freezing the whole game. And so on timeout, I'm gonna hide this guy. Don't think this is gonna work, but alright. It's gonna work, but I don't know if this is gonna freeze the whole game or not. It might, but let's test. Let's see. What's that now? Quantity in this. Oh, mistake. Oh, it works. There you go. See the log pop up? It should go away now. Perfect. Didn't freeze the game. Great. One. Oh, I should let it add, right? Let me check something here. Should I get rid of him? Or reduce the rotation? Could do that here. Where is it? Random transform. Here it is. XY. Reduce this one. Oh, actually, that's fine. Actually, that's the actual, yeah, Y rotation. These are the ones that are the bad ones. So maybe 10 by 10. I gotta do it for both. I kind of want them to have rotation. Only right. Yeah. Those are a lot better, I think. Is that too much still? You know what I need to fix though? This. It's not centered anymore. The UI. Could fix that pretty easy though. Either really set this to scale. Where is it? Follow viewport enabled. What does that mean? Canvas will use viewport transforms. Oh. Nah, not that. Where is it? Oh man, I gotta do it for each of these. That sucks. So the layout. And 2D2. This guy had to fill up. If that works. That still didn't work. This worked, but not everything else. I guess that was just for the. Let me see. Same for this. Yeah, I don't think it's working for that. Need to work on some trees. Yeah, it still don't work. Alright. Last resort is to just do it in the settings. Display. Where is that again? Windows. Window. Oh, here we are. No, stretch. Work. So that way. Thing stays the same no matter where it is. There you go. Could be bad or good, I don't know, but it works for me. Bullet. Alright, I'm gonna make some rocks now. Gonna do some models and texture. Alright, let's do a last test before I go into that. I could go full screen now. There you go. I probably need to increase the resolution. I can see the jaggies and the axe itself. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna go hit some fishes. Where are they? Fishes, where are you? Go over this side. Oh, I don't have a thing for the fishes yet. Don't ask me why I'm hitting fishes with a pickaxe. Shit doesn't work. Oh man. Was it the pickaxe or the actual? Dang it. Oh well. I think it's the. Oh yeah, I don't have tools yet. Oh man. For some reason, the buttons on my mouse they freeze the game. Look, if I'm pressing them while I'm rotating or something, the game gets weird. But the keyboard same arrow keys doesn't do it. Don't know why. Uh-oh, no problem. Or it's fine. I'm not worried about it. I gotta do all over there, but keep it over here for now. Oops, what did I do? Turn. Why did that cause a crash? Invalid operand dictionary and int operator. Huh. What? Active tool. That's weird. Soft body? There's soft body in this, I think. I did it before. Nope, I'm not doing it. Distractions. I keep on stopping for something else. What is this error? That's gonna come back and haunt me. Use active tool. Use item. Tool. Active tool. X. Equal none. Return. I am so confused. What happened here? Alright, I need to start doing this. I think something got changed somewhere. Boo. Just do. I was thinking it's a dictionary for some reason. Start typecasting everything. Yeah, no, sometimes I like putting the thing, but I know these aren't changing anyways, cause they're constants. I didn't bother putting it in. Didn't bother putting it there. For some reason, it's thinking that's a dictionary. Invalid operand dictionary and int in operator e. What is that? Those are the kind of bugs I hate. And something random, like sometimes I just know what happened, and sometimes like this. What the heck is that? And if I go back, I can't tell what use active tool. Maybe it's this. Tools. I think this is a node. Yeah, it is a node 3D. Let me do all this 3D. Camera. Gravity is a float. Look speed. Technically, this should be a float as well. 1-0. These should all be floats. Speed floats. And players. That's fine. Alright. Even these can change too. 3. Up vector 2. And vector 3. Alright, that should be good. No, I shouldn't get in there. There's a feature in, I think it's 4.2 though. Not this version of Godot. Where it could give you an error if you don't do this. It's something you could disable and enable. It's kind of a cool thing. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna start casting stuff because this speeds up the code too. Alright, so I wanna figure out why that happened. And then I'll go back to it. Okay. Changing the tool to 0. Symbol dictionary to variable. Oh! I'm about to change up my inventory, so get 1 slot item. Why did I use this? I don't remember what I needed that for. So this is where it is. This is what's happening here. So I need to check if these are empty before I try to get anything from it. And I think it's turning an index too. Yeah, I was treating them like actual tool slots. So they need to just be regular slots. And tools, like the pickaxe for example, I need to give them an index or item ID type thing. So ID just for tools themselves. An ID for an axe would be, what was the IDs again? You go back to tools. These guys here. Copy that and paste it somewhere so I could write them down. Oh, I could just, yeah, I'm gonna leave them there. Why not? The axe. Pickaxe is ID. Oops. Don't know why I'm doing uppercase, to be honest. Pickaxe. Knife. Pulls knife. Here. ID. Here. I really don't need to do this, to be honest. I could just go by just this, but I would have to change the whole tools thing. I mean, I'm going to do it anyways. This is kind of unnecessary what I'm doing here. Fishing rod. Machine rod. What else is there? Bow. Oh dang, I didn't even have a bow yet. You just put them in there actually. Alright, let me just put it in there. Let me copy this guy. Northern Spear. This guy. Yeah. Back to 1 and what else I need? Knife. Put it put it. So the thing I want to do is, so now I have an extra one of these anyways. I should set that up. I'm gonna probably do that off stream. So now I want to get a shortcut item or get slot. I need to change this to be get shortcut item or something like that. Get shortcut item. Shortcuts. So I need to say, I need to check if it's a tool. So if shortcuts at index dot as ID. I need to change that to lowercase ID. So the only time it's gonna actually be a tool to change, you're gonna return just the ID. So I need to return the ID. Else I'm gonna return 0. Else return 0. Remember 0 is no item or none. Just say that. Right. Oh wait, I need to check something. I need to do if shortcut index, it's empty, is empty. Need to return 0 in general anyways. Oh, I don't need to do that actually. Oh dear, Treaty. Oh, hey, how's it going, Patrick? Let me show you how it looks. I think this is unnecessary because I'm already checking if it has something. It doesn't have it, right? It's just empty. So it's still gonna do this anyways. I'll delete that. Alright, so let's test it out. Reload. Might break, but dang it. Oh, right. I forgot to change the name. Get shortcut item. Copy all this, guys. Active tool equals 0. If it equals none, we just return. So we're not doing anything here. Still in the same. Oh, yeah. Maybe a Godot 5.0. Alright, here you go. It's working. I have a spare. Got this guy. Got my knife. And my pickaxe. Got a whole inventory system too, by the way. Oh, and I could split. I forgot to show you guys. So split, 2. Could just take 1. Or I could just the 1 here. 1. I can't delete it though. I didn't set up deleting. Yeah, I'll do that later on. And I could swap as well too. And I could combine all the settings that you need. And if it's an odd number and I say split, it's gonna give me the larger amount. Like that. And it's actually updating, by the way, the inventory itself. If I save this and come back, okay. Let's save. Yeah, I could close this guy, open him up again. Oh yeah, I didn't even have that set up yet. Alright, see, the inventory is back to normal. We could load up. May load. There you go. All updated. Combine all these guys back. Alright. This guy here. Combine the two. Yeah, so what I'm saying is I'm gonna add the shortcuts right down here. You just drag one of these, put them in the slot. So these are gonna be the 6 slots down here. Fishnet? What's that? Like fish, like an actual fishnet? I got a fishing rod if that's what you're talking about. I'm not gonna use a fishnet for anything. Can't get too much features in. Oh, the next thing is I'm gonna write a small description here maybe for the item, and then you have another menu that you're in. For example, if I want to put something to cook and you click on like the fire, open the inventory, and then the fire inventory would be, you put whatever you want to put in there. Oh, by the way, I could do this too. If I click out, you notice these get disabled, so I can't click anywhere else while I'm holding something. Yeah, I'm gonna click this as it goes back. I did disable. Oh no, I'm not doing any multiplayer in this. That'd be way too much work. This is gonna be a survival single player game. It's gonna be free, by the way. I'm just gonna put it on what's it called? Itch. Alright, need to make some rocks. Spend the time. New general. I think I have the rock thing set up already. Rock generator. And let's grab that. Up some in here. Why did I do that? That's weird. So I could do this again on my own, but I don't wanna. I don't wanna. That's one rock. Here the bottom is here. Or it should be centered actually. It doesn't matter, to be honest. Add some more detail to it. Pull this guy out. Displace. Displace. Print. Ooh. I'm not in edit mode. Alright, that's one rock. I'll make a bunch of them. Add another one. It look like it does it randomly, like randomly. Or not. Why does it do that? I hate when they do that, like a giant line. I want some square rocks. I might make my own. Did I have a material? No. Let me make a rock material really quick. Rock, mat. Thinking if I should just generate something with material maker or just do it here. Probably be easier to do material maker. Let me pull that up. Alright, see, what do I need for some material? Rocks. Use a circle. Alright, so I need a noise. Obviously. Looks. I need color ramp maybe. Colorize. Color is rocks. Kind of gray, right? Grayish, bluish. Not really. What color is rocks? Dumb question. But let me look at some rocks. Ah. There you go. Yellowish, brownish. So let me make the whites brown. And let's get a normal. We could sharpen it up a bit, to be honest. Some roughness. I might use a separate FBM for that. Could adjust it. Scale them up a bit. Even make it more like that. Brown to brown. Or like that. Make the black more gray. Looks. Don't know how I feel about that. Need this to be bigger. Yikes. Too big. Ah. I'm both. Pulls. For the simplex. Bring that down to about 3. Doesn't look uniform to me. Not uniform, but more like need some kind of overlap to be happening. So what the way to do that? Let's copy one more of these guys, and then mix them. Mix. Put this one in here. So I'm gonna make this a lot like low scale. That's value. This is probably the wrong thing I'm using, but need a point something value. I think this is the wrong node. Let me see what else is there. Should be blend. Yep. And there. That one in there. This one in here. Then I decide to use this one for the blend. That would make sense. What I want to do is have more browns than whites. And whatever this color. Doesn't look like it's updating. Or it is, but oh, normal's throwing me off. Easy. Or just this too big. Oops. Why is it not getting colored? I'm crazy. Huh. What did I mess with? Hold on, let me change the type to be a flat thing. What is going on here? Oh, what was going on? Why is that like that? Oh, fools, thank you very much. Or 0 fools. Man, I was spending way too long trying to figure that out. Wait a second. Round. Fools, thank you very much. So the thing is, I want this part to be like some flat area. A lot of flat open spots. A bit too big. And maybe just one iteration. Just have to make this a lot smaller. Don't think it's working now. Oops. 0.1. Doesn't seem to be working. Or should it be? Oh, it is. So that's too small then. So 0.1. 0.1. I either gotta like sharpen this up a bit or something. use a colorize. Drop it right between these two. I need more blocks to show up, kinda. Not really. Or more whites, I mean. Yeah, it's too small, by the way. Let's see one. Something like that, but more whites. I don't like that either. I should be adding it, not actually, or multiplying, I mean. That's what this. Yeah, I think it's matte. Or math. This. For the blend. Looks. Bump results. A times B. Divided. Divide. Oh. A log. Other way around. Alright, I'm gonna work at this. I can't do it. I can't. It's gonna take forever. Then make this be more. Alright, I could hook these guys back up. Was normal. Not normalized. Oh, it is not. Oh, it doesn't look good, does it? Guess I gotta use this one. Then hook up roughness on. That does not look good. So this normal is too strong. Or something. Alright. Gonna use this. So let's save it as rocks. Rock, brown. Then I could export it. And the material. Am I anyways? Oh, I'm in the right spot. Textures. Create a folder here. Rocks. Rock textures. Call it rock brown. See how that looks in there. And just the material preview and share. Where are we? Where's the dreams? Assets. There's no. I don't know how to do the they call it triplanar in here. In actual what do you call it? Blender itself. Because you know. Get a normal and like this for now. Please. Actual roughness. Materials, textures, and rocks. I need a normal map for this, but alright. I might have to make this all over again, so yeah, I'm gonna do it all over again. That's it. There's rock textures. Oh, not normal. Roughness. Need the other shade smoke on this guy. Shade. Dude. Add the same material to this guy as well. Call this one rock 1 and the next one rock 2. Get rid of these two guys. Could call this models rocks. I wish there was an easy way to like split this in 2 separate blends. I mean there is, but instead of exporting each, export. My eyes. Oh. If selected objects and apply the modifiers. Okay. Give me this guy. Modify. Just name it rocks. Rock 2. Alright, let's see how this looks now. I think they're gonna be tiny. Or not, I don't know. So these I'm gonna place on my own. I wish there was a way to disable this thing, because if I turn off the collision shapes, it's gonna act funny. What am I looking? Okay. Create a node. Call it rocks. Rocks. Bring it closer. Here, so what's in the floor? Alright, so now I could instant rocks in here. I still need to actually make the crap, I forgot some. Need rock material. Let's do that one. Resource and material. So rock at rock brown at And I should have had that in the actual load. Rock. Yo. Wait, where did this come from? Oh, dang. Exported them twice. Because reasons, I guess. Blender. Rock. No norm. Why is that brown? But oh well. Roughness. Rocks. Roughness. What kind of textures are those? Anyways, let's instantiate this one. Or, you know what I mean? Is an external material. Model. Port. I need to also set this to be etude planar. Good instantiate this guy. I need to change it to a static body first. Static body. Now could instantiate. Where to the not bad. I like the shadow window. We create a basic collision shape, very simplified. Oh, let's see. And go scenes, objects, trees, rocks. No. Ooh. I could add child, not node. Add child. Oh no. Shit. Rock 2. It's small. It's small, isn't it? Want him to be a lot bigger than that. And it's not centered for some. Why is that like that? Alright, let's do what I did wrong. I was rock 2. Okay. That's weird. Oh, it is fine. Just that it's off the center. Back in here. This guy up and center him. Form 0. Yeah, but I still need it to be bigger too, so to do that a lot bigger. So these are rocks that you can't break. They're just like in the world, kinda sorta. So size. I like the shape too. I could rotate it and flip it for different looks. I could always change the material too. That. Scale this one as well. Apply the scaling. Uh oh. That affects him. Change it up. Dang it. Oh. Yeah, we're add it to Discord. I'll do it right now if you want. Let me save this. Alright, let me export this guy again. This is rock 2. I hate doing this step, to be honest. Gordon rock 2 GLB. Port. I'm gonna rename this to rock. This one. Port. I think everything's set. Alright, I'm gonna rename this one to rock. Regular old rock GLB. Or rock 1. And delete the other one. Is it rocks? Oh, I could delete. Whoa. This one. Alright. Gotta regenerate this. What I hate the most about this thing. Not big deal, right? I really don't like this Godot thing going on. Shading is terrible. And then rock and look how smooth this one looks. Deal with the other one. And change the type. I need to check out what's the deal with this shape. Shading is weird. Alright. This guy. Oh, this one's smooth and nice. I think I forgot shade smooth. That's the whole point of why it's messed up. Do this, go. Even rock 1. I need to create some like structural rocks too, like, you know, you could stand on and walk around with. I mean, you could stand on these. This rocks look a lot more natural now. All this duplicate and flip it. God, this snapping thing is annoying. Just duplicate this guy. Feed him. I need some giant, like, mountainous looking ones. Let me add another one of those. Rock 1, I think it was. Rock 1s. Nice. That looks like a part of the floor. Here's some of that. Here. Oh, I forgot that works too. You paint right on the rock. I don't want to do that. Just checking it out. Right here. Let's see how that looks. That's not good. Why am I getting 5 frames per second? It's the rocks. Cannot have them overlapping, I guess. Or what I could do is tell them not to interact with each other. We go back to rock. How can I do this? Right. I think that's what would fix it. Sure. Oh. I think that would work, but that might cause some problems other places, but maybe the player won't collide with them now. Oh yeah, probably. Yeah, I need some like gray rocks. Uh-oh. Just crashed. Oh. My stream acting up again. Or is it? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I'm connected. Okay, that was her. Um. Collaborate items. Rock one as well. Oh wait, that's the same problem. Or not. Oh no. Getting a crash, and I don't know why. Should I disable this? Don't think that's what's causing it, but uh-oh. Getting a weird crash, and I don't know why it's happening. Stream status 4. Are you guys hearing me? Keep saying there's an error. But it's still getting data, I'm not sure what that's happening. Alright, I'm getting a weird crash here now. Just delete these. Just temporary. Put them back. What? You guys seen this error? Possible, consider upgrading your driver to blah 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 blah. Huh.